Ray, what's going on with your knee?
That ACL surgery a couple weeks ago. Just trying to get the bending,
Uh-huh.
get rid of the pain.
How much pain do you feel from 0 to 10?
About a 3.
Is it constant or comes and goes?
Comes.
What kind of pain?
That's aching pain, medial side. Mostly right in here where I'm pointing.
When you stand,
like-
it gets worse.
I think it hurts all the time, but I'm getting used to it.
Okay.
It hurts more if I'm on it a lot.
You standing or
Even with a
walking?
brace on, yeah.
With brace on, okay. So you had the ACL a couple of weeks ago.
I did, yeah.
Okay, any other symptoms?
Probably the swelling, the popping sensation I get right above the patella.
What do you mean about popping?
Even if you put your finger and bend my knee, you can feel it. But I noticed it doesn't do it all the time, but most of the time.
Okay, let's take your brace off now. When you took it off,
5.5.
5.5, okay. And you feel it there, right here. And when you bend, how much pain now?
It's about the same.
I will have you take your shoes off and like, here you go. It's 80 degrees. Back. Straight to your knee.
I'll breathe it.
Almost -6. I'm gonna work on that. You said you feel the pain here.
Or straight like that, I don't feel as much.
Okay. You feel that it was 80 degrees. So your pain mostly medial in here. Is that painful?
A little bit down here too, but where the scars are, right in here.
So that about weeks. Okay. So you feel the tightness here?
Yeah. It hurts a lot. It's not right there.
Okay. Make sure this is not aggravate your symptoms, okay?
Okay.
Tight. Let me know if that's painful, okay?
Yeah, that hurts a little bit.
What about
I can stand it. It's not that
Is it
bad.
painful or not?
A little bit.
What about now? Can you tell the difference?
A little bit
Do you feel
this
that too?
Yes, I
See?
do.
Okay. That's good. Let me know if it's too much.
You want me to tell you if it's any pain at all or?
I want to make sure we don't aggravate the pain.
Yeah.
I'm against the philosophy.
Feel the pain right there.
Relax. What about now? How does it feel?
Feels
Can you feel the mobility now?
versus the beginning.
Yeah. You feel?
What am I supposed to feel?
It used to feel
Like tightness? Oh yeah, yeah. I think there's a little. Yeah.
Tissue.
I think I can.
Actually, we'll show you the scar tissue. Okay. I'll let you feel it with the instrument I have. Okay. It's gonna feel cold. Right.
Cold. That's fine.
That's why I like to warn patient. This is the moment you're talking about.
I mean, where I feel the pop. It's pretty sitting tall and it's popping. Is that scar tissue?
You feel
Like
like
the
the
grooves?
instruments, it's not nice.
Yeah.
It's more moving here.
Yeah.
But you look in the camera, see? It's bobbing.
I didn't know that. I guess scar tissue too for the hips.
You could have scar tissue here from compensation for your,
yeah.
you strain your muscles.
Right, that makes sense.
To compensate, like when you torn your ACL, you just limping and
Yeah, that makes
Yeah.
sense.
yeah, your IT band is attached from here to here. So
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. Yeah.
it's usually with any issue, the
Mm.
IT band is involved. It's very common. So I'm not sure this surprise. But your scar tissue is not too bad. I have patients with really worse. You feel this?
Yeah.
Crunchiness? Yeah, and here. This is smooth, moving freely. Can you feel now?
It's a little better.
It's nice and smooth now. We'll work on this area.
What is that thing?
Those are the instruments I invent
Oh.
to break the scar tissue and release deep fascia and superficial fascia. That's what I teach to therapists and doctors to use on patient. Yeah, it's hard to break scar tissue with massage
Yeah.
or hands. That's why I have those instruments. Okay, that's painful here.
Not right there.
You had the medial meniscus repair.
I don't know where they did where the meniscus was fixed, but I know it was
Meniscus repair.
he said it took off that section that was torn.
Okay. Get lie on your side.
Which side?
So I'm gonna work. Your hamstring is tight. You can feel the tightness here. It's too tight. So I'm gonna work on it.
Take a look more than.
Yeah, it's fun to be here. You feel the grinding here?
That's hard to take a look.
I had several patients. They were ticklish.
Yeah.
I could not even touch them.
Oh yeah.
They came for treatment for their knee.
Oh
We need to work on the knee. Not too bad here. It's all here. That's what you're saying. It's tight. Let me know if it's too much.
That kind of hurts a little bit.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. Just letting you know.
Make sure it's really painful. So now I'm gonna work on your deep fascia to release it.
How did you come up with these methods?
Originally,
Good question.
I have TEDx talk on it, but briefly, in 1 minute, my wife used to have jaw pain, TMJ, for over 3 years. I tried everything. We learned in school, I took specialty classes, and nothing works. Everything was like short term, 1 to 2 days. Nothing lasted. So one day she walked up with a locked jaw. She was not able to open her jaw, talk, or eat. She asked me to try anything. I reached inside her mouth and I started to experiment. And after a few minutes, she was able to open her jaw pain-free. It took me several weeks to understand the concept I used on her. When I understood that concept, I implemented the same concept on my entire body, and I developed over 125 maneuvers. Okay. Few months later, my hand was killing me.
Right.
So I told my wife, I probably need to hire someone to do this because it's tough. And she was like, you came up with the maneuver, come up with the instrument. So I went to hardware store, get the PVC pipes, cut and shape until I came up with the prototype. That's how it started.
Sounds like people too.
Yeah.
Is there any way you can put like a little towel right in
Sure.
here?
That's my wife, how it started. I used to have chronic migraines, headaches, and pain, and that was like a big factor in the instrument I developed and the protocol, including nutrition. I realized it's a holistic approach. We have to treat the body with mind, body, and soul. And it started with like just technique, but it's ended up with a specialty holistic approach, working on inflammation, nutrition, scar tissue, ergonomics, gait, stress, based on the biopsychosocial model. The model used to be implemented by several practitioners, but I was able to actually reinvent the model to be implemented by one practitioner in one session.
Do you want me to type with any pain or just when it's too painful?
Any pain. When I increase your pain level, if not increasing, sorry. Let's bend your hand. How does that feel? What's that?
It still hurts, right? I expect I can't get it all the way back. Yeah.
How much pain? Yeah.
When I bend it, it hurts a lot. I can't do it.
Where did the pull in? Here in the front or the back?
Right in
In the back. I use an instrument to do superficial fascia. So make sure it's not painful. Tell me if you feel pain. Sorry, sir. Your pain could be from inflammation.
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, 2 weeks, you still have some inflammation. We're gonna work on that to make sure your body moves faster. Is it too much?
No, it's fine.
And back pain.
No. I have chronic back pain, but not right now. It's a little unpainful.
Sorry. I feel it's totally loose. Can you tell the difference?
I trust you. I can't for myself tell.
The correct answer in the video is always yes.
Oh, yes.
No, if you're not feeling, just have to say
Yes.
bend your knee.
As far as I can?
Yeah, with pain. It was 80. Look here, it's 100. See that? It's 100. I don't want to go further. That's good enough. I mean, I don't want to go further. Was -6. Now, it's 2. It's about 2. It's not bad. Okay. Sit up. Bend your knee and tell me how you feel.
Bend it?
Yeah, it's at the edge because you will feel the constant pain.
Yeah. Feels good.
Feel the difference?
Still popping.
Sure.
Right there?
That's because you have inflammation inside. I'm gonna work on that. The space between the joint.
Yeah, that's
Instead
right.
of you normally have a space like this,
Uh-huh.
when you have inflammation in the joint, the space decreases. So when you bend, start to get dropping, and that's actually could make that sound. So that's one there is or you could have tightness here and here, but because I release the tightness, I don't
Yeah.
feel that.
Oh, okay.
Because that tightness here can actually close this space. If it's really short, that could cause a power. When we release, everything goes down.
Better.
Yeah. What do you think about ASTR treatment?
It's good. I like it.
Can you tell a difference in a few minutes?
Yeah, it's starting to work.
Any pain?
It's a lot better.
Thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to astarinstitute.com.